Okay guys, so here it is, the Alpha Outpost Lumberjack. I want to apologize for doing the video like this. I was so excited to get up here in the woods on the Ranger, have a little fun. I forgot some of my camera equipment, one being a tripod. So I'm going to have to unbox it like this, but lucky for you guys, you don't have to see my face. Anyway, let's get started here. The Lumberjack. So, on top, you will find your information card. How to split wood, how to build a TP fire, and making a paracord bracelet. I love the PVC patches. Skull and cross axe, cross hatchet. Anyway, very cool. I like the colors. I'm already like, you can look in and see the colors and really digging the black and red. So there's a PVC patch. Then you look, we've got coffee mugs, camp cups. They are metal. They're pretty red and they've got that skull and cross axe on it. So those are cool. Let's grab this thing right here. So this is a paracord bracelet. It's got a compass on it. And sorry about that. See the compass working? So the compass is doing what it's supposed to do because that is north. Anyway, this thing right here on the end is emergency whistle, I believe. Let's check it out. Yep. And then right here on this end, man, I hate doing it like this. I am sorry. I dropped it. It's got a ferro rod. Get you a fire started. Put it in the cup so I don't lose it. And on this end, you've got a little sharp knife. So, very cool. Next thing, let's see. Let's check this box out. This is a hockey puck sharpening stone. You'll see it's got two different grits to it, two different grains. So very cool. Then we got some pre-shave here. Huckleberry Beard Company pre-shave. Very cool. And straight razor. Never used one of these before. Try to get it open without cutting myself. Anyway, it's got the Alpha Outpost logo on there. The handle is plastic. It looks wood grain, but it is plastic. I already got an edge to it. May need more. I don't know. I've never used one of these before. I imagine it probably needs more, but anyway. So last but not least, kind of the highlight of the box. Woo! You got this hatchet. It comes in a little nice carrying case. Protects the blade and protects whoever's around it, I guess. So we take this thing out. And guys, a little disclaimer. I got in this box just to check it out before I actually did the unopening for you. And this thing's dirty because I've been playing with it. I promise you, when you get yours from Alpha Outpost, it will not be dirty. It'll be new. So, there you have it, guys. The Alpha Outpost Lumberjack box. Got some good quality stuff in it. Always excited to get this stuff from Alpha Outpost. I like the colors. I like the black and red. The hatchet is going to be fun. It's going to be a little nice tool. So, there you have it. If you got any questions, complaints, concerns, comments, whatever, leave them in the section below. I'm also going to leave a link to Alpha Outpost. Check them out. Go check the past boxes out. Oh, and while you're checking past boxes out, you see one you want to get. Gunter 15. G-U-N-T-E-R 15. 1-5. Gunter 15 will save you 15%. Don't forget to use that. I use it. There's some past boxes I don't have. I use it. Save me 15%. So why don't you? Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. Again, I apologize for having the camera like this and not having a tripod, but lucky for you, you didn't have to look at me. Anyways, thanks, guys. Have a great day. Thank you, Alpha Outpost, for some good gear. I'm going to take this Ranger out the ridge a couple miles and have a little fun. You guys have a great day. Thanks for joining.